To enable notification badge for baby sound alert in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration and badge is on, tap notification categories. Under priority section, tap baby sound. While the alert for baby sound notification is set to alert, tap the gray on off switch next to app icon badges to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. And when sound notification is on and detects a baby sound, your phone will show notification badge on the sound notification app icon. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.